All right, let's see if our answers are the same. I've opened the file called Lab Data iChart Exercise, and in here we have several observations of turnaround times from a lab. We want to run an individual's chart to see if this data is stable. We simply go to Control Charts, Individuals. We'll select Entire Table. We'll select Turnaround Time as the Y variable. Check Tests for Special Causes. We turned on the alarm system. We want the software to calculate the limits. For fun, I'll turn on the zone lines. And we hit OK. Here we immediately see some red numbers. So if you're like me, you declare this process to be not stable or out of control. Down here, it shows us that we have violated test number 2, which is a shift, and it shows us where that shift began. We violated test number 1 up here. We also violated test number 5 at this point, and test number 6 at that point. Notice down here that at point 12, we have violated both tests 2 and 5. It will only put one number next to it, and that is the first test that was violated. But yes, it is possible to violate more than one of these rules at the same time. You might wonder at this point, do I have out of control readings because I have a non-normal process and I'm putting non-normal data into a tool that requires normal data? Very easy to figure out. We go back to sheet number 1. We'll go up to Statistical Tools, Descriptive Statistics, Entire Table next. We'll select Turnaround Time for the Y variable, punch OK, and we're looking for the Anderson-Darling p-value. In this case, it is above 0.05, which means the data were indeed normal. Let me show you one other way you might have done this. You could go to sheet number 1, and let's quickly look at the Control Chart Assistant tool. We go to Control Chart, Control Chart Selection tool. Here we have continuous data. We have individuals, not subgroups. Notice how the options change if you select different types of data. But we have continuous data, we have individuals, and it drops us right down to an individual's chart. Again, we'll select Entire Table next. Just like last time, we'll put in turnaround time, test for special causes. I'll turn on the zone lines, punch OK. And it takes you back and creates the same exact analysis that you saw before. So the Control Chart Selection tool, a nice option if you don't exactly feel confident with the correct control chart to use. I hope your answers matched mine. Let's move on.